Many businesses struggle with custom wiring harness projects, unclear design requirements, long prototyping cycles, inconsistent quality, and lack of technical support from suppliers. These issues slow down product launch and increase hidden costs. We provide complete end-to-end custom wiring harness solutions. Our engineering team works with you from the early design stage to optimize wire layout, terminal selection, and installation solutions for performance and cost. We deliver fast prototypes, conduct full electrical and mechanical testing, and scale smoothly to mass production. All production follows strict IPC standards, and every finished harness goes through 100% conductivity and insulation testing before shipment. From simple jumper wires to complex multi-branch harnesses, we handle it all. Simplify your custom harness sourcing. Send us your drawings or requirements to get started.